Hello. Today we are going to sort things into living, non-living, and once living categories. So you can do this one of two ways. I'm going to go outside and look for things in my backyard. Actually, I'm going to go to a park. You can look for things in your backyard, and we're just going to sort them into, we're just going to say this is a living, this is a non-living, or this is a once living. Or attached to this assignment is some papers that you can print off, and it has a bunch of things on the paper that you can cut out and glue into the living or non-living categories. So you can do either one. Here we go. At my kids' school, and I found a bird. So birds have cells, they reproduce, they grow, they react to their environment. So there's a living thing. Fire hydrant would be a non-living thing. Doesn't move, no cells, doesn't reproduce, doesn't eat or need to breathe. Non-living thing. Wood chip is made of cells. It used to be part of a tree. It doesn't grow, it doesn't reproduce, but since it was part of a tree at one point, it is a once living thing. A tree, it grows, it reproduces, it's made of cells, it reacts to its environment, it needs to breathe carbon dioxide, and it needs nutrients and water. A tree is a living thing. That is a kite. A kite moves, it reacts to the wind and the environment, not made of cells, doesn't reproduce, doesn't grow. It is a non-living thing. Playground ball. Doesn't grow, doesn't reproduce, doesn't need oxygen or food, not made of cells. It is a non-living thing. People. They grow, reproduce, made of cells, need to eat food and breathe air. They react to the world around them. People are living things. Grass. Grass has cells. It grows. It makes seeds and reproduces. Grass responds to its environment. So it doesn't grow as fast if it doesn't get as much water. So grass is a living thing. A bench does not have cells. It doesn't grow and reproduce. It doesn't respond to its environment. A bench is not a living thing. A leaf is made of cells. It doesn't reproduce. It can't grow. It doesn't respond to its environment. But it used to be able to do all those things because it was once part of a tree that was living. So this is a once living thing. Clouds. They move and respond to their environment. They're not made of cells. They can grow. They can reproduce. But since they're not made of cells, clouds are not a living thing, non-living thing.